I will show you how to get the best CCTV setup of your life and keep those burglars at bay. Hey there! Choosing the right CCTV system can feel like a daunting task, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. First, consider your budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to get good quality. Look for systems that offer great value for money. Next, think about the coverage and resolution. Do you have blind spots? Go for cameras with correct lenses and night vision with 24/7 colorful imagine even in darkness. Newly comes with two-way audio. And hey, don't forget about storage conditions. Choose systems with AI options with human vehicle filtering with other objects, so your footage is always safe. Make sure your cameras don't just catch the neighbor's cat. So there you have it, top tips to make your CCTV shopping a breeze. For more expert insights, hit that subscribe button and join our community at Do You Know CCTV Secrets. Keep your home safe and your worries at bay with Randewa technology.